As our country still navigates the COVID pandemic, a new survey shows 1 in 3 families doesn't plan to get a flu shot for their kids this year. Denver 7's Nicole Brady took parent concerns about getting more sick and vaccine effectiveness to a doctor at Children's Hospital about perception versus the facts here, Nicole.
Well, Brian, the fact is that flu can be worse for kids than COVID. Last year, more than 400 children and teenagers in this country died from the flu. Just unbelievable. And we lost 2 children here in Colorado last year, 3 children the year before that. So knowing all of this, I asked Children's Hospital pediatricians why some parents would still be hesitant to get their child a flu shot.
I think flu is just something that we've gotten more complacent with because we're more familiar with it and we've heard about all of the risks of it our whole entire lives.
Now is not the time to be complacent. We know the flu can be particularly bad for younger children. Many times it's because of the secondary bacterial infections that can occur. Even if it doesn't prevent the flu entirely, the vaccine can still lessen the severity of the flu and lessen the likelihood of a child ending up in the ICU. That's especially important right now because of the pandemic leading to more packed hospitals. And, we still don't know for sure what could happen if someone gets both viruses at once.
Certainly, I think it's safest to assume that, if you have COVID and flu, it could potentially lead to more severe infection. So if anything you can do to avoid that scenario, is certainly beneficial.
And it's true, while some of the precautions we've already been taking against the pandemic could also help prevent the spread of the flu, that's no reason not to get the shot. It's just another good reason to get the shot because there are 2 serious viruses that could be going around. And doctors say as we all start spending more time indoors soon, that is going to raise the risk of both COVID and the flu. We're live this morning. Nicole Brady, Denver 7.